Merry Christmas, ya freaks. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a very exciting unboxing, and that is going to be on the Jeffree Star Cosmetics, the premium mystery box unboxing. So recently for the Halloween season, I did my very first Jeffree Star mystery box unboxing. I had no idea what to expect, and me and my sister had a lot of fun filming that video. And when I saw he was coming out with Christmas boxes, I couldn't help myself and got my hands on one. Now, I didn't get the big box this time, but I did decide to go with the medium box, which is this one right here. As you can see, the packaging is so freaking cute. You guys have no idea how incredibly anxious I am to open this, because this took almost a month to get to me. So I'm very excited to open this, and I really wanted to unbox it on camera for you guys so I can show you everything that we are getting in this box. So like I said, there were 3 tiers of boxes. There was a small, medium, large. I went with the medium. This one was about 60 bucks, and I think there's close to $200 worth of product in here. Now, the reason why I went with the medium box is because when Jeffree was talking about these on his Snapchat, he said that the medium box was going to come with an exclusive liquid lip that was never going to be made again. Right away, that sold me. I was like, yes, I have to have the medium box. Oh my gosh, like, this has been such a long time coming. You guys have no freaking idea. So, just gonna start cutting on the sides here. Oh my gosh. My sister actually got the big box, and it's sitting right over there because I ordered both of them at the same time. So I'm really excited to see what she's gonna get in the big box, but ooh, didn't cut it good enough. What the frick? Oh my lord. These are fucking hard. What is the deal here? You guys, I'm like not even kidding you right now. I cannot, oh, there we go. I'm fucking exhausted now. So I finally got the box open, and here's a little peek of what we have inside. So when you first open it up, it looks like we have, okay, so this is what everyone was talking about in the small box, were these stickers, and I'm actually really excited about these. I think these are so cute. So pretty much all of these stickers are Jeffree Star themed, as you can see right there. Really, really cute. I really like this one. My favorite one is probably the Beauty Killer one. So cute. So that's the first thing. The second thing in here is a Skin Frost, it looks like, and I love Jeffree Star's Skin Frost. And this one, oh my god, I'm so excited about that. So this one is in the shade Ice Cold, and I don't actually own this one, so I'm super excited about it. So here is what this highlighter looks like. Really pretty ice color, and oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I was so afraid it was gonna be a Skin Frost that I already have, because literally I own like 15 of his Skin Frost, so the fact that I actually got one that I don't have, I'm very excited. So the other thing we got in here, and I'm kind of like freaking out, but I'm almost positive this next thing in the medium mystery box is another blue blood palette. Holy shit. It's another blue blood palette. An entire palette. I already have a blue blood palette. I got this on launch day, and in this mystery box is a whole nother blue blood palette, which I'm kind of bummed about, but at the same time I'm not, because my favorite shade in this palette is the Celebrity Skin. And literally, you guys, look at my original, like the one that I use all the time. Look how used up Celebrity Skin is. I use this one all the time. It's even gone into the shade right here. So, I mean, I guess it's cool, but you know, now I have 2 blue blood palettes. Oh my god. All right, then we have just some more tissue paper. Even more tissue paper in here. So the first one that I'm gonna pull out is one that I'm pretty sure is in his permanent line. I could be wrong, and that is in the shade Mermaid Blood. And again, this looks like another not very wearable shade. Oh, I guess that's kind of cool. So this is kind of like a tealy blue-green color. Yeah, I don't know how wearable and how good this is going to look on me, but Again, it's cool though because I don't own this shade, so now I have another one to add to my collection, which I am really excited about, not gonna lie. The very last thing in here is the lipstick that is going to be a mystery shade that will never be made again, that was only in the medium size box. And there is what the shade name of this one is. It's literally like a stocking with a question mark. Sorry, I'm so shaky. I've had way too much coffee today. So I'm very curious to see what this is gonna look like because he said this was going to be a very wearable shade, which I was excited about. So let's open it up. Whoa. Okay. Why does this look exactly like poinsettia? What? I am like straight up super confused right now. So this is supposedly supposed to be a shade that was never going to be made again, you know, etc., but this literally looks identical to poinsettia, and I do have this one. This is from a couple Christmas collections ago, maybe like 2, and it's literally the same like glittery red metallic. I'm just swatch them right next to each other. So this is the shade Poinsettia. As you can see, it is a very metallic red color. It does kind of have little bits of glitter in there, and this one literally looks identical. And I'm also kind of confused because he said this was going to be a wearable shade. What? They look the exact same. And like maybe this one is like a little more red and this one's a little more deeper, but this one, I don't know, dude, they literally look the exact same. I'm so confused. He said it was gonna be like a very wearable shade. Not everyone would consider this a wearable shade. I thought it was gonna be like a cool nude color. Kind of sad. I don't know. If you guys got the medium box as well, call me crazy, but I literally think this is poinsettia just repackaged. I could be wrong. I could just be... What? I don't know. While we're at it, while we're swatching, let's go ahead and swatch Mermaid Blood. Ooh. Oh, this one's actually kind of cool. Like if I was going for like a super vampy look, I actually kind of like this one. That's really cool. All right, guys, and that is everything that we have for the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Holiday Mystery Boxes in the medium size. To be perfectly honest with you, I'm kind of disappointed, kind of confused. The things that I really am excited for is the new liquid lip and the new skin frost, because these are things that I don't already have. I am dead ass convinced that that mystery lipstick shade is poinsettia. I'm like dead ass convinced. I don't know how, I just don't see how they're, I mean, I guess I can see a little bit. Like this one, poinsettia is a little bit darker, and this one is a little bit more red, but they're both metallics. Really confused. Like this kind of makes me think of Ho Ho Ho, that lipstick he came out with. I don't know, it's not what I was expecting. I don't hate it. I don't hate the shade, but I was expecting something like, you know, pretty nude with like gold glitter in it or something of that sort. Not a dead ass identical color to poinsettia. Because if you guys were to look at these in person, you'd be like, wow, that is the same fucking lipstick. Oh, I do like the stickers too. I think those are really cool. I can't wait to find a cool place to put these. And honestly, like these would make some pretty cool like Jeffree Star tattoos. Like if you guys were like huge Jeffree Star fans, like I could see a lot of these being really freaking cool tattoos. Like look at this little lip ammo right here. What a cute fucking tattoo that would be. Or like the lollipop or the skin frost. I love the beauty killer one, but I already have a beauty killer tattoo. These 3 things out of the whole box I'm excited for. The Blue Blood palette, that's super cool. Like for people who got this box and don't have the Blue Blood palette, I think that is an awesome thing to put in there. But the fact that I already have it, I'm just kind of like, you know, okay. Honestly, I probably won't be getting another mystery box for quite a while. Was it really worth the $60? I don't know. Let me know down below in the comments what you got in your mystery box, which size you got, and what contents were inside. I would absolutely love to know. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, make sure to go down, give this video a huge thumbs up. If this is the first video of mine that you are seeing, make sure you go down and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. As always, I will see you guys very soon in my next video. I love you guys.